Braun MultiQuick 9 is a professional-grade kitchen system powered by a 1200-watt motor. This specific bundle features 2-liter XL food processor bowl, while it doesn't include the dicing attachment. It's built to replace several bulky appliances with one handheld tool. First is the stainless steel blending wand. It features ActiveBlade technology, where the blade moves up and down to reach 250% more cutting surface. This makes it easy to blend hard foods like nuts or ginger. The bell shape also uses splash control to keep your kitchen clean by preventing suction and splashes. Next is the gray disc holder and a dedicated French fry disc. The holder is the base for your slicing and shredding inserts. The French fry disc is a major highlight of this XL kit, allowing you to turn the whole potatoes into uniform fries in just seconds. Everything uses the EasyClick Plus system for fast one-click assembly. The XL chopping blade. This is the main chopping blade for the XL bowl. It's a heavy-duty stainless steel for high-volume tasks like chopping meats, nuts, or large batches of vegetables. These blades are incredibly sharp to ensure clean, precise processing rather than tearing the food. The XL food processor bowl is the star here, offering a massive 2-liter capacity. It features clear measurements markings and a lid with a wide feed tube for adding ingredients safely. It also has an anti-slip rubber ring on the base for stability during heavy tasks like kneading dough. This set includes several stainless steel inserts that snap into the gray holder. They're color-coded for easy identification. Orange, coarse shredding; yellow, fine shredding; blue and gray, slicing. These provide full food processor functionality while taking up very little storage space. The heart of the system is the 1200-watt motor unit. This features IMO technology on top with 3 speed settings: low, high, and pulse. The smart speed trigger gives you total control. The harder you squeeze, the more power you get, allowing you to change speeds instantly without stopping. Finally, we have a smaller essentials: a 500ml chopper for daily tasks like onions, a 600ml beaker for smoothies, and a stainless steel whisk. Altogether, this is a modular system designed to handle almost any prep tasks with professional results. The MultiQuick 9 with the XL bowl is an incredible investment for meal prep. The power of the 1200 motor and the versatility of the attachments make it a top-tier choice for any kitchen.